The Positive and Negative Affect Schedule is one of the most widely used psychological assessments. It was designed to help healthcare professionals assess a person's experience with positive and negative emotions in terms of how often they experience them in a week. This particular assessment comes in the form of an easy-to-answer checklist. It consists of 20 items, which is essentially just a list of the following emotions. There is an equal number of positive and negative emotions present, so the scale covers both positive and negative emotions equally. All that needs to be done is to rate each emotion between 1 to 5. In clinical settings, the following healthcare professionals will likely find value incorporating this assessment into their practice: psychologists, psychiatrists, mental health therapists, counselors, and nurses. To use our free Positive and Negative Affect Schedule, follow these steps. Download our Positive and Negative Affect Schedule scale from the Carepatron platform, which you can find on the link in the description. You can issue this assessment in 2 ways. You can conduct it as an interview as part of a therapy or counselling session. This is a good way to administer this test because you will have the opportunity to gauge the person from a wide variety of angles, such as examining their personalities and their dispositions. Or you can simply hand a copy of the Positive and Negative Affect Schedule to them, whether physically or digitally. The patient picks one of the 5 set answers for each emotion: very slightly or not at all, a little, moderately, quite a bit, and extremely. Their picks must be based on how often they felt a particular emotion in the past week. To indicate their answers, either you or the person just needs to tick the corresponding checkboxes for their answers. Each answer corresponds to a particular score. Very slightly or not at all equals 1, a little equals 2, moderately equals 3, quite a bit equals 4, extremely equals 5. When calculating the score, you will be dividing them into 2 sections, positive and negative. Each section has a maximum score of 50. Here is a sample of our Positive and Negative Affect Schedule, which you can find on our Carepatron platform. To find our Positive and Negative Affect Schedule, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.